What'd you learn at school today?
I learned not to hit my friends.
What about you?
I learned to not throw them down, and then when your friend gets up, and then kick them down.
So you're not allowed to do that?
No.
How do you know you're not allowed to do that?
Because we want to be nice to each other. Otherwise, they'll stand up and do it to you again.
So are these the new rules at school?
They're not new. They're always the rules, except they don't work, so they write on a piece of paper to remember.
Very interesting. Adrian, what other rules were there today?
Not to lie.
That's a good one. Sophia?
You know why? Not to lie, because then people might get hurt, and it will be a bad idea.
What other rules?
Not to trick.
Not to trick. What else?
Still.
Oh, you still?
Because that's what bad guys do. If you want to be a bad guy when you grow up, you can be one. But your friends won't like that.
Is that what your teacher taught you today?
No, I made that up. It
Oh,
wasn't on the
List.
list.
Okay. Anything else from you, Sophia?
Yes, don't obey the teachers, because they know it's best. And when you
Did they
grow
write that
up,
down on the rules?
and when you grow up, if you want to see everything and everything is good, you can be a police when you grow up.
That's cool. Anything to add, Adrian?
That I'm going to be, I'm not going to be a police even if I don't obey my teachers. I'm going to be a scientist.
Very cool. Good idea. And what are you going to be when you grow up?
I'm going to be a paleontologist, an astronaut, all sorts of things that I like to be.